Hello, today I'm going to show you how to convert a horizontal video to a vertical video so it can be used in YouTube Shorts as well as TikTok. I use Camtasia to edit my videos and a lot of times they'll come out. I filmed a vertical video, but it comes out in a horizontal format after I edit it. All I do, I'm going to show you in the video, is use a simple iPhone to convert it and you're ready to go. So what I'll do is I will take this file and I will airdrop it right here to my phone, and then I'll show you the basically 3 or 4 quick steps on what you need to do to convert this video on your phone. And you can take regular horizontal videos and convert them as well, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, once I have the file open in Photos, all I do is go up top and click Edit, and from here, right at the bottom, I'll click here, and I go back up to the top, and I want to click right here, and I want to now choose by going here to 16 by 9, clicking there, and then all I need to do is convert it from horizontal to vertical, and it'll come out perfectly. I click Done, and now the video is ready for a YouTube Shorts or a TikTok. Now I mentioned that you can do that on a horizontal video as well. It's a little bit different on a horizontal video, and the reason for that is because you have to cut out quite a bit of the background, but the process is the same, you just have to adjust. I click on Edit once I've pulled it up in Photos. Once again, click this button down here at the bottom, and back up here to the top, and once again I'm going to click on the 16 by 9, which is the format already, but now I'm going to click on the vertical. So now I have to adjust the video, and as you can see, if I adjust it up and down, I'll have black space that won't look good, so you can really only adjust it from side to side. And if I do that, I just have to be careful on what I'm going to include.